disassembling my front fork. Basically, this is one of the forks that I took off my XLR250R3M. As you can see, it's the left one, because it's got the pincher bolts for my axle here. And I haven't done anything with it except for draining the oil. Here's the damper rod bolt and the oil drain plug. There, I'm going to do this in two stages. First of all, I'm going to take out the remaining oil, and second of all, I'm going to dismantle it and take out all the parts that I need to take out. I'll just put this in the stand. Hey. And there we go. It's in. And now, I have to say I have been able to make this video and disassemble this fork due to, or thanks to, Johnny's shop, which is another YouTube channel, and this was a very instructive video about how to take apart a front fork. Second of all, this fork is a cartridge type fork, meaning that all the parts inside the fork are all just into one piece. With a regular fork or an old-fashioned fork, all the parts are loose, but this is just one complete cartridge that you can take out. Okay, well, we're going to start off then. First of all, I want to take all my get all my old remaining fork oil out. I'm going to start off with taking off the remaining pincher bolts from my axle. Let's see, which one is that? Yep, okay. Which we'll do with my impact drill, because it's just easiest. Okay. 1. 2. 3. And 4. Yeah, my 4 nuts. That's that part. Then we go to the next step, which is basically I want to take out my damper rod bolt. The problem is, if you unscrew the top cap first, which is on this side, take out the spring, and then you want to loosen your, you want to take out your damper cartridge, that the moment you start twisting this hex bolt, this Allen bolt, the damper rod will start turning as well. And there's a very special tool which you can buy that you insert into the tube to grab a hold of the damper rod, but it's expensive and I don't have the budget, so I do it a little bit differently. First of all, I'm going to loosen this top cap just a little bit. This is for me my bit number 18, and I'm just going to loosen just a little bit. But by loosening it just a little bit and not taking it out completely, there is still tension on the damper inside. And this is still held in place by the spring, which is still under tension because of the top cap that is still on. So now I am going to, let's see, let's do this in an orderly fashion. Yeah, I'm just going to take out my damper rod bolt. This is like a little Allen key, fits in there perfectly. Put it in my driver and put my driver on the strongest setting so it will just zip out, hopefully. Oh! It won't. It is stuck. Alright. We will try another one.
Oh.
Perhaps this one will fit. No, it's too big. Try a smaller one. This one is the appropriate size. Yep. And we'll try this once more. Push it in thoroughly. And there we go. Yeah, now it's coming apart. And that's my damper rod bolt, which also contains a little washer here. Put it over here. Now the other thing I want to do is remove my oil drain plug. So I believe that's number 10 millimeters, yep. And my impact driver. And now I'll zip this one off. And it's off. This is a very tiny little bolt, also with a copper washer on it. And now we have to get the remaining oil out, which I will show you. I'll just move the camera back a little bit. Because there's quite some oil in there. And there we go. Basically we turn the fork around and now you'll see the oil coming out, if everything is okay. Another way of helping the oil out is by pumping the fork, just going down, up and down, which will basically release all that oil. And as you can see, this oil is black. Now I don't know which color it's supposed to be, but I believe it's some kind of a reddish color. So this fork is definitely due for an oil change. I'm just going to pump the fork up and down slowly, which will hopefully get out all the oil. Plop, plop. There it goes. Now I'm just going to let this stand for about 10 minutes and then I'll get back to you. This has to drain a little bit. Let's see, yeah. And I'll continue this video in about 10 minutes. Bye.